So come with me on this journey to Leeds. Let's go and have a look at the car. If it's any good, I will be driving it back home tonight. All the way to Leeds from southwest London. So it's mostly train journeys, starting from overground, a little bit of underground, and then a national service all the way up to Leeds from London King's Cross. Since I no longer commute for work, this is quite a nice reminder of what London can be like. Obviously it was early and it's a Saturday, so it's not as busy as a weekday hellish commute which most Londoners put up with when they're going to central London. But still, as you can see, it's quite quiet. Working my way through the underground and coming up at King's Cross. I had to quickly stop by Pret and get myself a coffee and a chocolate croissant because I was starving. Anyway, looking up, checking out what platform my train's going to be on. 8:33 to Leeds. Let's get on it. Let's go and view this car. I'm so excited. So once it Leeds, I had to stop by my boy Warren's place. Mrs. Athers, an amazing coffee shop. Got some mad pastries. Their coffee is on point and their food is so good. The actual place is an absolute vibe. Obviously Warren's a man of style and his guys absolutely smash it too. I love their Carhartt whip aprons. It's just like touches like that just absolutely kill it for me. Yes, what's going on? So you joined me from inside my new to me car. So my new second-hand car, family car slash project, mostly project, but obviously family car, because if you follow me, you know that I've recently had a baby. So I've got a 3-week-old at home. We need to hurry up and go home because we're currently just outside Leeds. It's a 4.5-hour drive to southwest London. So got my car, my first Porsche. Sort of spring summer last year, you know, I started thinking I want a Porsche, early 2000s, 4-wheel drive, yeah, wide body, but doesn't have to be a 4-wheel drive Porsche, early 2000s. So you think 996 C4 or C4S, especially after seeing my friend Rob's amazing C4 cab, Ryan's mad super nice 996 turbo, my friend Pat, his C4S, which I love the C4S purely because of the back light. Anyway, so that was the plan. Got a baby, so the 4-wheel drive early 2000s Porsche. It's not a 911. So that car's got its reverse lights on, so something's gone terribly wrong there. But yeah, that's quite interesting. It's also really bright when it's this dark to have. Obviously, you don't realise how bright your reverse lights are until you got them on when you're driving in the dark and you're blinding people. Worse than fog lights. So just ticked over 99,000 miles. So obviously I picked it up on 98,000 and something, but it's quite a cool round number to hit. So in another 1,000 I will hit 100,000. It's quite fun. Anyway, ticked over to 99,001, so it's boring now, it's just a number. But I don't believe we're at 18.1 just for this trip. It's quite worrying if we are, but but we'll see. Absolutely double, triple fuck the M25. Free that side, bike coming through, and this side's absolute hell. Way says another 40 miles, 58 minutes. This is a joke, absolute joke. But I got the car though. Hell knows what's going on over there. There's some bright lights in the distance, and there is some what look like some Batman style searchlights going around. So weird. Alright, so getting into London, just driving in. Maiden voyage of this was pretty good. A little bit of traffic on M25, but ultimately not bad. So yeah, good journey. Car's been perfect, faultless. Like I said, Southwest London, here we are. Very, very long day. I left at 7 o'clock this morning my house. It is 5 to 8. So 13 hours pretty much. I got another 10 minutes before I get home. Yeah, thanks for coming along. Really appreciate it. And as soon as I get home, I'll take a quick photo of this. You guys can see what the car looks like briefly before I do a proper video on this. So yeah, thanks for watching.